Hello and welcome to another video. I have no idea if this is actually gonna work, but we're gonna try anyways. I got some new gear. I don't know if it's any good. We'll see. We're gonna try it out today because we are loaded up and going to the racetrack. It's the second round of German Time Attack Masters at Oschersleben. And Oschersleben looks like this. And that's how everything looks. We're fully loaded up, as you can see down there. And yeah, we're gonna drive now for 10 hours. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Thomas and Colin are already here. And I'm not sure if this brightness setting is working, but we'll see. If it's not gonna work, then maybe it's gonna be looking a little bit funny. So that's it for now. And I'd say, let's go. As you can see, they're working on the car. The issue is we had quite the success today. Everything works fine. I did a 1:39.5. In the trainings with Thomas on the passenger side, on the passenger seat. And so far everything worked great, but oh, by the way, that's some crazy ass car. He has roughly 600 horsepower and 750 kilograms. But anyway, we're now working on the car to find out why it doesn't make any power. We don't have any power at all. Most likely something happened with the turbo. I don't know if it broke down. Just suddenly no power anymore. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We're working on it and hopefully everything works out. We have now a couple of hours time until we need to be out again for the warm-up. And then tomorrow is the quali, and yeah, we'll see. take off the car. So, we're done for today. I'm gonna show you the video and the pictures. The turbo is dead. Why? We don't know yet, but we're gonna find out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Everything started out quite well. Now it's not so well anymore. And we're gonna need a new turbo kit, or new turbo at least. And so yeah. That's what we're gonna do, and hopefully we get one in time just for the next event. And yeah, unfortunately that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Bye.